How to fix internal server error 500 on Roblox. So a lot of times the reason why this problem occurs is because of Roblox server or status is down and is on maintenance or something. But for a lot of times what you can do is just simply open up your Roblox player and that should fix a problem for some. But if it doesn't, so as you can see my Roblox player is up. Now you could try to open up a game. And if it doesn't work for you, you could just search for Roblox status on your web browser. So just search for Roblox status just like so and click on the first link here on the top. It will bring you right here. And as you can see, all systems are operational, which means that Roblox doesn't have any error occurring right now. But for you, if it turns red or something, or it says that the server is not operational or it is down, you just simply need to wait till it becomes all green and stuff, like green right here and not the red one right here. So just wait for it to turn operational and wait for the issues to be fixed. That's how I basically resolve the internal server error 500 on Roblox.